private IP address and public IP address. So what is the difference behind it? See, considering I got a network, the data communication is happening among the computers. This is happening using the IP address allocated in the computers. So there are two major things in IP address. One is like a public IP address and the private IP address. The public IP address is issued by the internet service providers. Like you got Vodafone, Hutch or someone, they will provide the IP address to you. And private IP address is given by the router itself or modem itself. So which is internally used in the network. And this provides a unique identification for the devices that are within your home network, such as your computers. So over here you are able to see I got a network. There are a lot of computers, printers, laptops and everything is connected to a modem or a router. And this is connected to the internet. The IP address which is used to connect to my internet is called as public IP address. I'll go to my command prompt to see how it works. So I go to my command prompt and this is my command prompt. Now I'm giving IP config. Over here you're able to see 192.168.2.46 which is in my network. So I got a computer and the IP address is this one in my computer. I want to see what is the IP address in the internet. What is my IP address? So my IP address is 219.91.154.178. This is your private IP address. In the internet world, my computer is identified with this IP address. That's where the difference is. Okay. So this is your private and this one is your public IP address, and this is your private IP address. So this one can be identified in a network in my office. In the internet world, I can be identified with this IP address. This is called a public IP address and private IP address. As I told, via the private IP address, the network identifies and transfers the data in an office. This can be achieved with the switches or hub or some network devices. So this is how your IP address are. So you may ask me a question, I got a private address and how it is transferred to a public address. Let me repeat, I got my private IP address, how it transferred into a public IP address. This is because of a technique called network address translation, NAT. The network address translation is a technique of converting your private address to a public IP address. So that's called a NAT. This particular property is available in the modem and the routers, which will take care of converting your private to public and public to private. So this is how the private and public is. I got a private network which got a lot of IP address. In the router, via the router, it's connected to the internet world, and this is your public network. So the network is classified as private network and public network. This is your public network, and the IP address is called a private IP address, and this one is called a global IP address. Okay, this is the final one to indicate how the private and public is. I got my computer which is connected to the LAN, and I got the router or modem. Okay, the router's IP address, private IP address is this one. See, you are able to see it here. This is my computer's router's IP address. So via this one it's going to the world, outside world. So this is my computer. This is my computer private IP address, and this is my router IP address. Okay, and this is going out via internet, and my public IP address is this one. My public IP address is this one, which is given by my internet service provider, ISP. And afterwards, what website I want to access it, it will go and access it. This is how the private and public IP addresses are. So guessing you know about our website wikidigi.com, which is an online technological portal. You are able to see lots and lots of information in this portal. Okay, clicking this icon, this one, tutorials, you are able to learn lots and lots, thousands of tutorials in it. And if you click these projects, you are able to see lots and lots of projects which is given free of cost. So these are my tutorials. Click it and you can learn lots and lots of tutorials. It's an animated portal. And over here you got the projects. Click it, you're able to see the projects for free of cost. You can download the projects and you can use it. And this is our YouTube channel Wikidigi Code, where you are able to see thousands of videos here, Wikidigi Code, where you are able to see thousands of projects for free of cost. Okay, so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and click this bell button to get lots and lots of information and latest videos and tutorials. So thanks for watching this video, and this is Venkat from Wikidigi. So thank you.